Okay. Now next one is the partition by round robin component. So next component that we have is partition by round robin. So partition by round robin means like if you want to split the records equally among all the partitions, then we can go with partition by round robin. Round robin component. So what it will do, the one parameter that we need to give for this component is block size. Let's say like by default the block size will be 1. So if you give block size will be 1, so what it will happen? It will take first record, it will go to first partition, second record will go to second partition, third record will go to third partition, and then fourth record will go to first partition, fifth record will go to second partition. Likewise, like it will split. So if you give block size as 2, so it will take first 2 records go to first partition, third and fourth second partition, 5 and 6 third partition, 7 and 8 again to first partition. So it will equally distribute the records among different partitions based on the block size. You got it right? On a round robin fashion, the data will get distributed. So let's see how it works. Now let's disable this. Now instead of partition by expression, we have partition by round robin. So click on it. This is the only parameter that we have, block size. So by default, the block size is 1. So if it is 1, then what it will take? First record here, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will equally distribute like that. Now let's create a subgraph here. Like we will choose what are the records that we have, what are the components that we need to create a subgraph. So we'll choose them. Go to edit. You can create a subgraph. Create from selection. It will ask for a name for that subgraph. So we'll give partition by round robin. Okay, so we'll create a subgraph. So if you open the subgraph, so those components will be under that particular subgraph. So let's run it. Now you could see like it got equally distributed. Since we got 16 records here in the input file. So what happened? 5 records here, 5 records here, 5 records here. 15 got complete. The 16th record again it will go to first partition. So if you have 17 record, it will go to the here. So if you have 18 records, so it will have 6, 6, 6. Like all 3 partition will have 6 records. Okay. View the data. Now you could see first one Rajkumar Andhra, it went to first partition. Ramkumar Telangana, it went to the next partition, and Suresh Kumar Karnataka, again it went to the third partition. Then Sam Robert Tamil Nadu again went to first partition. Rajesh Kumar Kerala, it went to second partition. Ram Ganesh Tamil Nadu, it went to this partition. Likewise, like based on the block size, the data will it will be partitioned to the different partition files. Now let's give block size as 2. Now we could see the first 2 records. Now we took the block size as 2, right? So it will take Raj and Ram, Andhra Telangana, it went to this partition. And third and fourth record, it went to second partition. And 5 and 6, it went to this partition. Again, 7 and 8, this partition. 9, 10, this partition. 11, 12, this partition. And then 13, 14, 15, 16. So based on the block size, the data will get distributed among different partition files equally. So you got it, right? You got the difference between partition by key, partition by expression, and now with partition by round robin. You got it, right?
Yes.
So these three will be highly used, partition components. So if you are using partition by key, partition by partition components in your project, like mostly the highly used these three, mostly partition by key and partition by round robin, and and also partition by expression. So these three were the highly used components.